I'm Julia Sondu, showing you where development is happening. Please come and join us. Founder of OPM, Apostle Chibuzor Gift Chinyere on Tuesday brought Director of Maxxis Tyre to inspect where they will build a tyre production company in Ohanku Community in Ukwa East LGA, Abia State. Today, the Director of Maxxis Tyre was in Ohanku to inspect the rubber plantation, which is a raw material. Directors of other foreign multinationals shall also be visiting Ohanku on 19 March to see the site where their factories will be sited. We also visited OPM Free School Ohanku branch. Investors flock to Abia as Taiwan's Maxxis Tyres plans full-scale tyre production plant. Within 24 hours of geometric power restoring stable power in Abia State, investors are beginning to show interest in the commercial hub. Taiwanese directors of Maxxis Tyres visited Ohanku Community to inspect lands for a full-scale tyre production plant. The production range will cover motorcycle, tricycle tyres, car tyres, light trucks, ATVs, trailer tyres, and more. Maxxis Tyres, a brand of Chengxin rubber industry company in Taiwan, started as a bicycle tyre maker in 1967 and is currently the 11th largest tyre company globally. Taiwan's Maxxis Tyres comes to town as Geometric Power revolutionizes. Geometric Power, an indigenous power generation and distribution firm spearheaded by patriotic Igbo entrepreneur Barth Nnaji, has ushered in a new era of prosperity in Abia State with round-the-clock electricity supply, a feat unprecedented in Nigeria. The restoration of stable power supply by Geometric Power in Abia North has triggered a surge of investor interest in the region, leading to the establishment of various manufacturing facilities, including a full-scale tyre production plant by Taiwan's Maxxis Tyres. Maxxis Tyres, a renowned brand under Chengxin Rubber Industry Company in Taiwan, plans to set up its production plant in Abia, contributing to the city's economic growth. The plant will manufacture a wide range of tyres. The recent visit by Taiwanese directors of Maxxis Tyres, facilitated by Apostle Chibuzor of OPM Church, to Ohanku Community for land inspection marks a significant milestone in the revitalization of Abia State's commercial landscape. Geometric Power's commitment to expanding its services by next week underscores its dedication to transforming the region's economic landscape and attracting further investment opportunities. Abia State, under the visionary leadership of Alex C. Otti, is poised to reclaim its status as the leading economic powerhouse in Nigeria, fueled by the groundbreaking initiatives of Geometric Power. Uninterrupted electricity supply has enabled businesses to operate at optimal levels, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. This sustained productivity translates into higher profits and a more competitive edge. 2. Lower operating costs. Businesses no longer have to rely on expensive generators, drastically reducing their operational expenses. This cost-saving advantage allows them to reinvest in expanding their operations and hiring more staff. 3. Increased investment opportunities. The stable electricity supply has attracted new businesses to the state, creating investment opportunities and generating employment. The presence of reliable infrastructure has made Abia State an attractive destination for both domestic and foreign investors. Abia State's 24/7 electricity revolution has proven to be a resounding success, transforming the state into an economic powerhouse. Businesses have flourished, real estate values have skyrocketed, and the economy has seen unprecedented growth. This initiative serves as a testament to the transformative power of reliable infrastructure and the positive impact it can have on a region's development. Abia State's success story is a beacon of hope for other states in Nigeria and beyond, demonstrating that with vision and determination, even the most challenging infrastructure projects can be overcome. Gov Otti announces commencement of Ohanku, Obuohia Road reconstruction. Dr. Alex Otti, the governor of Abia State, has announced the commencement of reconstruction efforts on Ohanku and Obuohia roads, with a pledge to enhance economic activities in Abia through construction of roads. Governor Otti, who made the disclosure while speaking at the Blessed Michael Ohanku Community Catholic Church Abia during the Epiphany celebration, emphasized the importance of addressing impassable roads with the aim of improving transportation and fostering economic activities in the commercial hub of the state. The governor, while emphasizing his commitment to changing the negative perception of the roads, noted that his administration is determined to transform the previously challenging areas and improve their accessibility. He said, "In few days, work will start on Ohanku. As work is starting on Ohanku Road, work will start in earnest in Obuohia Road. So all those places that are impassable, we will change their story. Some of the modest things we are doing in Abia and elsewhere is in keeping with our promise and also fulfilling the requirements of government. Governance is about the welfare and security of the people." Governor Otti highlighted the ongoing efforts by his administration to reconstruct the long-neglected Amuma Road, abandoned for over 2 decades, and added that a dual carriageway with cement pavement technology has been implemented on the road. "Shortly after we commissioned this road, MCC, we have started on several other roads. Those of you who come from around Amuma Road will know that Amuma Road has not been used for about 20 years. I want to invite you to go to Amuma Road and see what is happening there. And we are doing a dual carriageway with rigid pavement technology," Governor Otti pointed. Acknowledging the support of the Blessed Michael Ohanku Community Catholic Church during the electioneering period, Governor Otti, who said he came to join the church in the first Sunday of the year Mass, expressed gratitude to the parish priest, Reverend Father Kelechi Anyanwu, the parishioners for their support and prayers, and urged them to sustain their prayers for him. He assured the community of his dedication to governance, which he said is focused on the welfare and security of the people. In a homily, the parish priest of Blessed Michael Ohanku Community Catholic Church, MCC Road, Abia, Reverend Father Anyanwu Kelechi, explained that Epiphany is a mass conducted every first Sunday of the year, which not only signifies the time the wise men visited Jesus at his birth but concludes the Christmas activities. He used the opportunity to commend Governor Otti's leadership and lauded the ongoing streetlight projects and road repairs. Among other development initiatives is the governor in Abia. Founder of OPM, Apostle Chibuzor Gift Chinyere, on Tuesday brought Director of Maxxis Tyre to inspect. They will build a tire production company in Ohanku Community in Ukwa East LGA, Abia State. Today, the Director of Maxxis Tyre was in Ohanku to inspect the rubber plantation, which is a raw material. This is the end of our program today. See you on Intervlog same time tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Intervlog. Thank you.